Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to work on the second page, which is another concept on perpendicular lines. And we're going to take these two equations, I'm going to graph them on one just so that I could see the similarities and differences. If you're going to do this on the computer, feel free to use Desmos.com and you just type in the equations. Simple as that. Or you can, if you're ready to graph it, you can just do it on your graphing notebook and then upload the notes like that. That's the method that I've been doing, guys, because I don't like to do my work on the computer. Plus, my internet sucks, so I like to do everything on my paper notes. Okay, first thing we need to do is identify the slope and the y-intercept. And in the other video I made for number 1, number 2, number 3, I already explained which one is which. So m is the slope, which is right here, 3. And since it doesn't have a denominator, it's going to be 3 over 1. Okay, that's just the same thing. So it means that this is going up 3, up 3, up 3, up 3 every time. 3 over 1, 3 over 1, rise over run. And then the b is a positive 5, so that one is my start. So where does this function start? The next one for my slope is actually going to be down 1 over 3. Okay, so this one's going to be the rise and then the run. Same thing over here. So this is going to go down because it has a negative, and it's going to go to the right 3. And always to the right. We write from left to right. Except for Zach, because that's Arabic. But everybody else, we write from left to right. And then the starting point for this is going to be positive 1. Okay, I do need you guys to use 2 different colors when graphing these. So make sure that you guys have 2 different colors. Desmos automatically chooses different colors for you guys. So this is not something that I'm crazy about color coding. It's a thing. So the first one, we're going to start at positive 5. Okay, and I don't have any graph paper. Everything is at school, and I was unable to take my stuff. Okay, it's going to have to go up more. And it's going to go up 3 over 1. Okay, and I'm going to connect those in a minute. And then my second one, I'll connect those in a bit. I don't even have a ruler. The next one is going to start at positive 1, but this time this one goes down 1 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to graph those by connecting the dots. Okay, give me a sec. There's number 5. And then here's this one. Oops. Okay, so there's my 2 lines. What do they have in common and what is different? So the slopes are very similar. This one's 3, but this one's negative 3. And we actually call that a reciprocal. So it's basically they're just flipped. And the starting points are different. So one started at 1, one started at 5. So they have different y-intercepts. But what do they have in what they have in common is the most important part. And then the type of lines that we have here. So I had already told you guys this video was about perpendicular lines. So yeah, these 2 lines are perpendicular. When we say that they're perpendicular, it means that they make a 90-degree angle right there. Okay, so this is a 90-degree angle. Okay, just basically now, like the corners. So why do they make a 90-degree angle? What is it in their slopes? So the slopes are negative reciprocal. What that means is that one of them is 3 over 1, right? But then the other one is negative 1 over 3. So one's positive, one's negative, and then they're just flipped. Okay, we just flipped them. That's it. So say I was asking you to give me an equation that is perpendicular to number 4. All I would have to do is flip this. So it'd be 1/3. One of them is negative, and then it'd have to be anything else. Let me see, a different starting point. Something else, just some random one. Negative 1 over 2, x plus 3. Something that's perpendicular, and this is a perpendicular symbol. This one is parallel. Okay, but we're not doing parallel right now. I'd have to flip my slope, so 2 over 1. One of them has to be negative, one of them has to be positive. Now my starting point could be anything. Okay, so these two lines are perpendicular and these two lines are perpendicular. Okay, that's how you would write perpendicular lines. So I hope this was helpful, guys. Feel free to email me your questions or stop by my Google Meets. These are similar examples, but these are not the same problems in your notes. Okay, you still got to try them and either do them in your notebooks or do them on Google Classroom. I prefer to have all my notes put together. Okay, have a great day, guys.